Yusuf sold his kidney to pay off a debt to his boss at a brick kiln. He borrowed money to get married. He received 80,000 rupees for his kidney. After the debt money, he was left with only 20,000. That's less than $200. When in the United States, a kidney is valued at around $50,000. After the operation, Yusuf's physical condition became so bad that doctors warn he cannot work. But Yusuf is too poor not to work, so he carries on, in great pain and at the increasing risk of his life.
तकलीफ तो मसलन है कि कोई कारोबार ज़्यादा पारा करिए तो लिए ऑपरेशन दा किड़ा ज़रूरत नहीं है उस वजह तो दवाइयाँ मतलब कि खानियाँ पैन.
Yusuf makes 1,000 bricks daily, exposed to the heat of the furnace for only 200 rupees. The weekly cost of his medicine is 300 to 400 rupees, which is almost half of his wage. It is here in the common home of a Pakistan family that the state of the economic crisis has become most evident. 9 years of a war on terror have led to devastation such that people like Muhammad Yusuf are now willing to sell their own body organs. The job Yusuf sold his kidney to save has cost him his health, and yet he says he has no regrets. Yusuf, koi pasawa hai? No. There are several private hospitals in major cities of Pakistan, like Lahore and Islamabad, reported to be engaging in the illegal operations. Colonel Mukhtar, a medical doctor from the Kidney Center, performed the first transplant in Pakistan in the 1970s. He thinks selling and buying of kidneys must be made legal.
They can donate the organ and get the money. And I don't think ethics or death is death is important, not important than the ethics.
Dr. Mukhtar gave us a presentation on ethics, stating that the risk goes both ways, since on the black market, buyers cannot be sure of where their kidney is coming from. He showed us such a case where bodies disappeared from Skid Row in Los Angeles that had been gutted for their organs. Someone received a kidney from a hardcore drug user. Still, the majority of the victims in this story are the donors, the poor and the exploited, like Muhammad Yusuf.
Ethical problems should be solved, and the person who donates organs, he should be looked after.
Yusuf's debt has been paid with the price of his kidney, but he continues to pay every single day he goes to work. He pays in physical pain and the high costs of medical care. Kirsten Klein Schmidt, Dawn News, Lahore.